Let's say you need a business number today. In one story, you choose Google Voice, and in the other, RingCentral. The results? Completely different. According to Metrogy's 2025 data, RingCentral holds about 6.4% of global seats, which makes it one of the most established telephony players out there. It's built for uptime, scale, and operational redundancy. At the same time, Google Voice remains incredibly popular, especially inside the workspace ecosystem. So which one is for you? Let me start by saying, not every business needs a command center. Some just need a phone. If you're a freelancer, consultant, or one-person shop, Google Voice is a utility. At $10 per month is one of the cheapest ways to get a business line that syncs seamlessly with Gmail and Calendar. It's fast, familiar, and it works inside the browser. You don't need onboarding, you don't need IT, you just need a number. And for that use case, it's great. But the big but? Its foundation is thin. 2026 incident reports shows ongoing issues with MMS delivery and limited analytics. There is no real-time dashboard, no serious performance tracking, no structured call oversight. It's a good stop for a one-person shop, but it's very restrictive for a scaling team. Because if your revenue depends on the phone ringing, you need systems building backups. And RingCentral RingEX is built for that mindset. Unlike Google's browser native feel, RingCentral delivers unified communication at scale with voice and video up for 200 participants. They even integrated with OpenAI this year, driving over $100 million in annual revenue from AI-led products like AI Receptionist, now serving more than 8,000 customers. But let's be honest about the trade-offs. RingCentral started at $30 per user monthly, triple Google Voice's cost, and while they target 5 nines uptime, their January 2025 RFO admitted a 6-hour disruption in North America caused by routing error. So, what if you need a calling tool built specifically for sales and support teams? The alternative can be found in CloudTalk. While Google Voice gives you basic transcripts, CloudTalk gives you AI call summaries that automatically generate structured notes and sync them directly into your CRM. HubSpot, Zoho, Salesforce. Even Jamie Delvin from Revolut reported saving 40+ hours per month using this automation. RingCentral has a basis routing logic, but do you know what's more efficient? CRM Driven Routing. CloudTalk connects routing directly to your CRM data. A returning customer doesn't hit generic queue. They automatically route it to the agent they spoke to the last time, so you never start back at the square one. CloudTalk also includes power and parallel dialers designed for outbound teams compared to Google Voice's one-to-one calling. That means automating sequencing, local presence numbers, voicemail drops, and significantly higher daily call volume without increasing headcount. But should you be running a call team, you also need a way to track, report, and evaluate what's going on in those calls, right? Google Voice's performance tracking is minimal. With RingCentral, advanced analytics often sit in higher tier plans. But CloudTalk gives you a real-time dashboard that uses AI conversation intelligence that can interpret customer sentiment during a call and analyze how a call went. Plus, you get to see live call activity, agent metrics, and SLA stats without the enterprise price tag. And in this way, CloudTalk is built to provide integration, calling capacity, and AI metrics that sales and support teams need to scale without breaking the bank. If you would like to see for yourself, check out the link in the description for a free trial and a demo. And let me know in the comment below what you've decided to choose and how it helped.
CloudTalk.